Actually, take two. If you can hear that. This is the middle one. Should I get a Mocardine seat? Let's open up these box switches. I want to put it on now. All right, here we go. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So some of you that have been following me have known that I had kind of an ugly tip over on my Road King here. And some parts did get scratched, like the worst was the flashing lights. On the left side, it was just smashed. The hard lowers, and you can probably tell the windshield. So it tipped all the way up to here. I mean, gas was coming out of the tank when it flipped over. I was a little bummed out. Obviously, you see your motorcycle taking some damage, and it's one of the things we take pride and joy in. But the nice thing is I talked to Mocardine, and they send me some products to help me get the Road King just right. Now, they send me this stuff. I didn't pay for it. I don't have an affiliate link. They just said, here you go. Just tell everyone what you think about it. And I can tell you right now, I was very, very happy to get stuff from Mocardine. And again, if you've been following my channel, they sent me this tour back, and I'm really, really happy with it. Very well made. If you can hear that, it's pretty tight. The inside here, you can fit two helmets in here. And the best thing about it, my wife's much more comfortable in the back. Let's open up these boxes and let me show you what they sent me. I probably won't have time to install everything right now, but I wanted to hurry up and open them up because they reached out to me and said they're gonna have some huge specials for Black Friday and maybe even earlier. Let's go through this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the biggest box here and let's see what it is. This is very well packaged, a lot of tape. A tour pack. This is great. To be fair, when they first asked if I wanted to do anything, I did ask for another tour pack because I'm so happy with the King tour pack. And this one is, this is the middle one, which is great. And this one, I know if you get this in vivid black, for Black Friday, 50% off. That's awesome. So check it out. I'll have the link to their website. Again, I don't make any money if you buy it or don't buy it. I'm just gonna be totally honest. The reason why I wanted to have this one was the other King pack is awesome. I actually love it very much. When I'm riding every day, I'd rather have something a little smaller and sleeker. For me, because I carry camera gear and some other stuff and jackets, I just wanted that extra space, and this is a good middle ground for that. The King Tour pack is great for a long road trip. Again, this is for me, or if my wife's gonna come for a ride. One thing I need to add is, they asked me if I wanted to have the same backwards that's on the King Tour pack, you know, the wraparound one, which is, I was surprised. I only seen them with a little cushion in the back, and I thought, wow, that'd be awesome. But I really didn't need it because I wanted this one more when I'm alone. So I just asked for the little pad, and I'm really looking forward to see how when it looks. I mean, I'm so impressed with the King one. Let's take it out. All right, here it is. As you can see, it is a little bit smaller, but the quality is there. The band is the same, but there's something I wanted to show. So if you watch my videos or any other videos, you'll notice that usually you get provided a plate to put inside here. You put a plate inside, and that gives it a little more stability. But when I opened up the box, I was really impressed. Check this out. It's right here. And the holes are already there, so you can put it right into your 4-point docking station. I can't say it enough how impressed I am with this company, Mocardine. The same quality in here. So like mine, it came with a really nice liner on. This is the King Tour pack. I actually asked for this orange, and the reason why I asked for orange is so when you're looking for stuff, it kind of stands out, right? Because I typically have everything black, which is the reason why I bought an orange case, because I'm tired of losing all my stuff. I did ask for a liner. I didn't ask for what colors. I wasn't specific. But you know, this looks nice. This is all black. And when I first opened it, I did not even notice the liner. But it's the quality is still the same. Here we got the 4-point docking station that goes here. I'm confident that's gonna fit. And this is the cushion. And here's the keys. So again, I can't install it right now, but because of the specials that are coming on, I wanted to share it with you. One thing I did here, Vivid Black, all tour packs, 50% off. Again, I'm happy with the product. I'm very happy that they sent it to me. I love working with them. I have no affiliate links. I can say whatever I want with it, and I'm really happy with it. So basically what I'm trying to say is I'm not making money if you buy some nice products from Mocardine. And the freedom to be able to say whatever I want, can't beat it. It takes a long time to earn some subscribers. I'm not going to try to sell something or share something that is junk. All right, let's see what the next item is. All right, here we go, the second package. This is actually take 2. The GoPro died on me, so I've kind of opened it already. Not kind of, I did. So, just to show you, it's actually very well packaged in here. And if I take it out here, these are actually hard lowers. Now this is going to replace the one I have all scratched up, but this feels lighter to me. If I remember, I'm going to weigh this when I take off the other one, and I'll let you know if there is a weight difference, but it does feel lighter to me. It's very similar to the ones I have. This lever is a lot easier than the other one. Has a little compartment here. So I'm gonna install one, not today, probably tomorrow, and show you how it installs. I'll do kind of a quick install video, and I'm also gonna create another detailed one for the right hand side because these can be a little tricky. I already created a video on installing hard lowers, and actually my dad did it, so check it out. Again, never thought I wanted hard lowers until I got them. They say game changer. This is a game changer, and great quality, and this matches the Vivid Black here. Again, check out their website, link below, discounts for 2024 holiday. As much as I want to put it on now, I'm working hard to get this video out to you so you know about the specials. All right, last but not least, now this is a big deal. Let's open it. The big deal in the little box. Here it is. Well packaged, just like all their other stuff. And check this out. These are gonna be fun to install. These are hand guards. So these hand guards will be going here. They're actually, yeah, they're a little wider, a little bigger than the ones I have. It's kind of nice because the one over here on the left side got a little scratched up. But one thing I was worried about, I'll be honest, is these are metal. These are a pretty hard plastic, actually. I thought it was gonna be like you can move it around and squish it around, but nope. Which honestly, to me, that's a good thing. Let's open this up. Whoa, look at that. Vivid Black. What a difference that's gonna make. This part here in the middle, right where my thumb is, that's gonna be a light that blinks and stays on. Well, it blinks when your blinkers, when you're signaling, it'll turn. But other than that, it should stay on while you're riding, so it just adds more visibility. which is good. So we got to install these. This is one of their newest products. They're pretty popular. They have colors to match your motorcycle. Again, I just wanted to share everything I got so you guys can take advantage of it in time for the holidays. If you know someone that needs some nice stuff at good deals, these are the handguards. It also comes with all the hardware to install it, because I have installed those before, which they're very simple. When I saw this, I'm like, oh, how do you install this? But here it is. There's all the bolts. Here's this part that's gonna wrap around and screw on. Just gotta figure out where to plug this in. We'll just have to plug it in. So it should be literally plug and play. I know I've said it a lot, but I just wanted to create this video for you guys to be able to look at all these items, check out their websites, and take advantage of the discounts they're having. Again, didn't pay for this stuff. I got it for free. Thank you, Mocardine. They have quality stuff. And I just wanted to have this video out for you so you can go and get the discounts now. I'll be putting these together the next few days, and you'll see a little more videos so you'll know how to install them once you get the products. Stand by. Y'all take care and stay safe. Should I get a Mocardine seat and test it out? What do you guys think? Ever since I got the backrest, I missed my Saddleman, but maybe a Mocardine's gonna work on here. I'm gonna check it out.